Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, we will be learning how to create playlist on SoundCloud. To create a playlist on SoundCloud, first you have to tap open the application. Then make sure that you are logged in. After this, tap on library. Now tap on playlist. Here, tap on create playlist. Name your playlist here. I will name it my favorites. Here, you also have the option to make this playlist public or not. I will just disable it for now and then tap on save. And here you go. You have successfully created your playlist. And now you can add songs to your playlist from the suggestion below or just tap on the three dots and then tap on add music. And here you can select songs and then tap on save. And here you go, you have successfully added song to your playlist. Making playlists in SoundCloud help organize music, share tracks, promote artists, discover new music, attract followers and enable offline listening as well. You will now be able to enjoy all of these. That's it for today. Hope you guys find this tutorial helpful. If yes, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon so you never miss out to our videos. Goodbye till then.